Yes, yes, all of you, good morning. Today I will be taking your English text. So open your Marigold book, and the chapter I will be taking today, that is first chapter, first day at school. First day at school. Riyad, I'm fine, dear. How are all of you? Fine? Okay, so let's continue. Open page number 1 of your Marigold book, and the chapter you can see, first day at school. So first let us know, this is a very small and short poem you can see over here of 4 paras only. No sound. Antara, why? Now is it okay? Now the sound is clear. Now is it okay? I hope now the sound is clear. All of you mute your microphones. Arushi. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so here you can see, this is a very small poem of only 4 paras, and this is the poem about a child's feeling, and the child's feeling is what? He is for the first time going to school, and he is for the first time is entering to a new class. Okay, and for that the child, what the child is feeling, this is the, we can see this child. So this is the, you can see at the right side of your page, that is, this is the child's feeling. The lines are of the child's feeling, who is for the first time is going to school, right? Antara, maybe you are having the problem, please cut the call and then rejoin, okay? Okay, so let's read. Let's start. First day at school. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. So, I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. Here, the child is thinking that his drawings will be as good as theirs. Here, theirs means his friends, his fellow students, right? So, the child is thinking that his drawing will be as good as his friends. Now come to the second para. I wonder if they will like me or just be full of stares. Now the child is thinking that he is new to the class, so the other students will like him, or just they will look at him like a stranger. Here, stares means, we can see, looking at someone like a stranger. Here the child is thinking that his fellow students will like him or look at him like a stranger. So, I wonder if they will like me or just be full of stares. You can see, apart from Antara, can anyone else have any problem apart from Antara? Everyone is able to see me and hear me, no? Apart from see me and hear me clearly, no? Yes. Yes. So apart from Antara, everyone is able to see me. So Antara, it is your problem, your internet connection problem it might be. So please try to cut the call and then rejoin. Okay. From everybody else, it is clear. Okay. And here I would like to tell you that in the second para, you can see I wonder if they will like me. You can see that they will is written as like this, right? So it is the full form, this is the short form, and the full form is this, right? All of you can write it in your Bithika. Yes, Bithika. So, Antara, if you have done these two together mode, then change it to grid view, then you can see. Okay. So, this is the short form of they will. The full form is they will. Like this. Okay. So, whatever I am writing on the board, all of you can write it in your copy. Now, let's come to the third para. I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. Here the child is again thinking that his teacher will look like mom or gran, means the short form of this is the mom, this is the short form. So what is the full form? Mother, right? Mother, right? And mom or gran. And here gran is also the short form and the full form is grandmother, right? Clear? Yes. So the short form is mom, full form mother, and the short form gran, the full form grandmother. Okay. So the child is thinking that his teacher will look like his mother or grandmother. Now the last para. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. By these lines we can see that the child has a puppy at his home, right? The child has a puppy at his home and the child is thinking that his puppy may miss him or his puppy will think that where the child has gone, right? I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. The child is thinking that his puppy will think that where the child has gone, right? Okay, so the poem is completed and we can see here clearly that the lines are the feelings of a child who is going to school for the first time, right? So read the poem once again. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. I wonder if they will like me or just be full of stares. Third para. I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. And fourth para. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. Okay. And the writer of this poem is Eileen Fisher. Keep this in mind. Eileen Fisher. Eileen Fisher. Okay. So keep this in mind. This is how the reading of the poem is completed. Now I will write some spellings. I am erasing the board now. All of you now write some spellings in your copy. That's what you will practice. Okay, I am erasing the board. Now write some spellings. Second one, drawing. D-R-A-W-I-N-G. Drawing. Third one, stairs. S-T-A-R-E-S. Stairs. Fourth one, teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Fifth one is puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Okay. So these 5 spelling you will practice. These 5 spellings you will practice from here. Okay. I am repeating once again. Number 1, that is wonder. W-O-N-D-E-R. Wonder. Number 2, drawing. D-R-A-W-I-N-G. Drawing. Number 3, stairs. S-T-A-R-E-S. Stairs. Number 4, teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. And number 5, that is puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Okay, puppy. So these 5 spellings you will practice. Okay, all of you have completed, and this is how the reading of the chapter is completed, and also I have given you some spellings to practice. Okay, and the exercise part I will start from the next class. Okay, I will start from the next class. Okay, so now all of you please give your present. All of you have completed. Now all of you give your present. And no one will leave, or else you will be absent. Harushi, Ritika, Ma'am, Kaustubh, Shanaya, Parvez, Riyadh, Shweta, yes, students, I have completed, I have taken your present. Yes, I can see Shanaya, that spellings, okay. Wonder, drawing, grand, puppy, stairs, okay. Riyadh, wonder, drawing, teacher, puppy, stairs, okay, fine. Kaustubh, teacher, puppy, okay. So, and I have told you that the exercise part I will start from the next class. Okay. So today is up to this. All of you read this poem very well at your home and also practice these spellings. Okay. So have a nice day all of you. Bye. Bye all of you. Have a nice day. Bye.